gets loose. And this is going to be a massive scrap because everybody is pairing off now. Semenko is still throwing hard right hands at Probert, even though the two linesmen are trying to keep them apart.
And isn't it strange that it's not Stickle who can't hold his man, it's Civic who can't hold his man. But Semenko will definitely get the aggressor, the instigator.
And Semenko is still getting a right hand loose.
And Gerard Gallant may well have been the third man in. There was a third man, as he thought Probert was getting pounded badly, as Probert didn't throw a punch in the first half of this fight. And Gerard Gallant, 17, I think is telling Gill there, I didn't want to come in. But Semenko jumped Probert.
That looks like the Dave Semenko of old. Because